Back with another video. Got the cucumbers going. Y'all, check these out. Like I said, they hide like crazy behind these big old leaves. This is part 2. Look at this crap. Oh my gosh. Doesn't take too long. I will show y'all the one that we did in the last video. Didn't grow too much. Actually got infected there. Something happened right there. But all these cucumbers growing. There's another big one right down here. I'm about to take these off because if you leave these on too long, these vegetables get, these cucumbers get matured, and then the plant will actually stop growing. And so if you want to keep on growing, you have to keep on pick often. There we go, it's a big old one right there. Pick these off. Alright, so I picked a couple of these cucumbers off of there. They're pretty good size. Like I said, if you don't want to just keep them on there and let them get humongous, because the plant will stop producing. So I left a couple of them on there because they weren't really that big. They're not big enough. Like this one right here, we'll leave that one alone. It's actually pretty tiny compared to this one. Yeah, look at these. So we're gonna leave that one on there. Let it get bigger. There's a few of them still going. Another one back there, kind of smaller. Another one back here, smaller. But it did pretty good. Just go around using these buckets. Trellis is falling over a little bit, but it's okay. It's getting a little heavy. The bees actually did their job this time around. I only pollinated a few of them. And as you can see, we got quite a bit growing.